Hi guys, it's Wes from Trendy Startup. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete all posts on Facebook. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to delete all posts on Facebook. So let's get started. So guys, to delete all posts on Facebook, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search for Facebook. Click on first link. So guys, here you can see our Facebook homepage. So to delete post, here you can see the option of account. So click on account. Now in account, you have to simply open your profile. Now in profile, scroll down and here you can see the option of manage post. So click on manage post. After that, simply select the post. Now click on next. And here you can see two options, hide post or delete post. There I'm going to select delete post and click on done. Okay, that post has been deleted. So deleting one by one take lots of time. So to delete all posts at once, simply again click on manage post. Now select the post and click on next. Now again, simply click on delete post and click on done. So guys, as you can see here, all the posts has been deleted. So to check again, click on manage post. And here you can see there is not available the post that we have selected and delete. So guys, as you can see, we have deleted all the posts on Facebook. So you can also delete the all posts on Facebook by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.